We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
In this video, we will learn about mechanical properties of metals. Our first property is strength. It is the ability of a material to resist maximum external force without breaking or yielding. Now here breaking word is used for brittle material and yielding word is used for ductile material. Second property is stiffness. It is the ability of a material to resist deformation under externally applied force. It means whenever we apply external force, the material has the tendency to deform in the direction of force. So, the internal resistance generated to avoid deformation is known as stiffness. Our third property is elasticity. It is the property of a material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external forces are removed. Now here we can note down one point that steel is more elastic than rubber because steel can hold its original shape up to greater forces as compared to rubber. Our fourth property is plasticity. It is the property of a material to retain the final deformation. It means whatever the changes in shape occurs in any component that will be permanent change, that is known as plasticity. Fifth property is ductility. It is the property of a material enabling it to be drawn into wire with the application of tensile force. Now you have to remember here one thing, that ductility is related with only tensile force. Sixth property is brittleness. It is the property of a material opposite to ductility. It means without any major or permanent deformation, only breaking or direct breaking will occur, and the best example of brittleness is a glass. Seventh is malleability. It is similar to ductility, but in place of tensile stresses, malleability property is related with compressive force. It is a special case of ductility which permits material to be rolled or hammered into thin sheets. Our next property is toughness. It is the property of a material to resist fracture due to high impact loads like hammer blow. The toughness of the material decreases when it is heated. Impact loading is the instrument which is used to measure toughness of any standard specimen. Next property is machinability. It is the property of a material which refers to relative case with which a material can be cut. We can also define machinability as how easily the material can be removed with the use of any machining process. Our next property is resilience. It is the property of a material to absorb energy and to resist shock and impact load. This property is essential for spring material. Our next property is grip. When a part is subjected to a constant stress at high temperature for a long period of time, it will undergo a slow and permanent deformation that is known as creep. You can find out creep in practical applications like belt drive and chain drive. Our next property is fatigue. When a material is subjected to repeated stresses, it fails at a stresses below the yield point for ductile material and ultimate point for brittle material. Such type of failures of material is known as fatigue. Our next property is hardness. It has a wide variety of meanings. Hardness means resistance to wear. It may be resistance to scratching or deformation or machinability. We can also define hardness as the ability of a metal to cut another metal. Thank you.